In this video, I'm showing you how you can go and fix your channel not showing up in search results and in general make your channel more searchable. So if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well, as it helps get this video to more people. And please do watch this guide right until the end, so I'm showing you a few different tricks and methods you can go and try. But without any further ado, let's go and jump into this. Let's go and continue with this tutorial. So just a quick note, this guide is also going to work if you're on a mobile device as well. All you need to do is go into your browser and make sure you go to youtube.com and make sure it's set to desktop mode, so it looks just like this as it would on a desktop, but on your mobile phone. So the first thing I recommend doing as well when seeing where your YouTube channel currently pops up is all you want to do is simply go to Chrome or whatever browser you're using, right click on it, and make sure you use incognito browsing or private browsing. Basically it means the same thing, and it means it has none of your cookies or sort of history like that without your accounts logged in. Because if you search on your own account, it's probably going to put it higher than it actually is, or just change it. Essentially using incognito and private browsing just makes it as realistic as possible. So I'm going to click here, and then all I'm going to do is come to YouTube, and then we're going to go and search for my channel, which is Tutorial Tucker, of course. So I've now searched Tutorial Tucker, and as you can see, I do rank right at the top. But it's the good way of seeing where you do currently rank. So the first thing I recommend doing is simply coming to your channel. So all you want to do is click on your profile icon and go and click your channel. It's going to take you where I currently am. And what you want to do is go to About section. So as you can see on my channel, I'll just come back here. You can see it says here, and it's in bold where it's actually selected. I've put this in my About section and it's helped put it higher. So what you want to do is put your channel name in your About section. So to do this, all you need to do is click Customize Channel and just wait for a minute to load. And then all you want to do is come to Basic Info and come to Description. And this is something you can write to go and get your channel name into your description without it sounding too weird. I put something, hello, I am Tutorial Example, please check out the channel, or something like that. And then all we want to do is go and click Publish. So essentially this just goes and improves your channel SEO. And another thing you can go and do is add your channel name to your channel tags. So to do that, all you need to do is come to the bottom left where it says Settings, click here, wait for it to load, and then all you need to do is come down to Channel. And as you can see here, we've got the keywords. So all you want to do is type in your channel name. So type in Tutorial Example. You can also go and do different variations as well. As you can see, I did one with capital letters and one all lowercase. I could do it with spaces as well. And to make each separate keyword, all you need to do is press the comma key after you've gone and typed it in. And then of course, go and make sure you go and click Save. And another thing you can go and do is add your channel name to your video tags and your video description. Simply go and click on Content. And then you can come to a video of yours. So I've got one here. I'll do a public one actually, so I'll do this one here. All you want to do is come into your details and simply go and type in video made by Tutorial Example, like this. And then in your tags as well, come and click Show More. All you want to do is go and type in Tutorial Example as well. And then you can go and click Save once again, just like that. And another thing you can go and try is actually go and type your channel name into the search bar. So I'll type in Tutorial Example, just like this. If it doesn't pop up here, then try and click on Filters and then go and click on Channel. And boom, as you can see, my channel then goes and pops up. And just a quick note, it may take a few hours or even days for these changes to update. So do just go and be patient, as it will help you. And if you want it to be without having to do the channel type, then honestly the main thing you can go and do is grow your channel. The more subscribers you have and just the more people watching and clicking on your channel, the higher YouTube are going to go and rank it because they think it's relevant to that search term. So honestly, that's the main thing you should go and do, is actually go and grow your channel. That's really going to help with getting you more visible in the search results. But I hope you did find this guide useful. If you did, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.